Hello everyone! Today I want to show you the dress made of the two types of the cutwork embroidery fabric. I've already showed you both of these fabrics. The bodice is lined with white cotton. There are corset bones in the bodice. Corset bones help not to damage the shape of the dress. There are corset bones on the front, in the side seams, and on the back. Corset bones also make the body look slimmer. This is a summer dress, so we decided to make such thin shoulder straps. The front is decorated with the crotches and princess seams. The skirt is also made of fabric with cutwork embroidery. The bottom was cut along the pattern. The lining is also decorated with the cutwork embroidery. I show you reviews of the items for you to see some interesting and useful details. I showed you the two dresses made of these fabrics. Now you know that they can be combined. Do not be afraid of interesting details. The neckline was decorated with the same fabric used for making shoulder straps. I want you to have a close look at the dress. This is not an evening dress, but a sundress with corset. Ola has matching shoes, and I think that she looks amazing in this outfit. Turn around, please. Next, I'll put this dress on the table to show you the wrong side. This is a very nice summer dress. Have a look at the table. The dress looks very light and beautiful. Both the main fabric and the lining are very light, and so is the dress. The cutwork embroidery makes the dress look amazing. Have a look at the bottom shape. One of the tailors of my fashion house spent a lot of time cutting the fabric along the holes. It takes a lot of time and efforts to do it. For the dress to look even more interesting, we decorated the lining bottom with a stripe of cutwork embroidery, which was used to make the bodice. Absolutely amazing. Have a look here. These crotchets are not functional. Of course, you can undo them, but you don't have to do it to put the dress on or off. They were made just as decoration. The dress is not as simple as it looks. Have a look at the back. There is a zip on the center back. Have a look at the bodice once again. There are corset bones in these seams, in the side seams, and in the lower parts of the front princess seams. Corset bones end here. The upper part of the front fits the body perfectly without the corset bones. Let's have a look at the wrong side. The zipper is edged. The neckline is decorated with the very thin stripes of fabric which was used for making shoulder straps. The skirt was gathered on the waistline and the seam was edged. Have a look here. This is the corset bone, and this seam next to it also adds to the stiffness of the dress. This is how we made such light dress fit the body that well. The lining was decorated with a cut work embroidery at the bottom. The seam was also edged. Now you know how this amazing dress was made. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. And remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.